Long ago, in a village in East Africa, an old woman named Mama Zawadi lived on a small farm. She worked very hard all her life with her husband, Old Man Adi. They grew maize and had many animals. After Adi died, life became very difficult for her. Her daughter, Nala, and a lazy son-in-law lived in a house. The daughter was often angry, and the husband was lazy. One night, they whispered that Mama Zawadi must leave so they could have the house for themselves. The next morning, Nala threw her mother's clothes, blankets, and shoes onto the ground. "Mother, you must leave," she said. The door closed in the old woman's face. Mama Zawadi cried on the step, but she remembered a secret. She and Idi had saved money for many years. She went to a stone box near the cattle pen, moved the stones, and found her savings. With this money, she walked to the next village to start a new life. She bought a good piece of land and built a strong house. She planted maize and kept chickens. A kind neighbor boy named Abdul often helped her with her work. He was very respectful and kind to her. Meanwhile, Nala and her husband became very poor because they were lazy. Their house began to break down. One day, the son-in-law went to find a job and reached a beautiful new farm. Mama Zawadi opened the door. He was shocked to see her. She gave him a job, but she told him he must not tell Nala that the farm was hers. Later, Nala followed him and found the farm. She was very angry and shouted at her mother. She demanded the house and the money. Mama Zawadi was very quiet and calm. She gave Nala only a few coins and closed the gate. Mama Zawadi wrote a will. She gave her entire farm to Abdul, the boy who helped her when she had no one. She gave nothing to her daughter. When she died, the village buried her with respect. Nala and her husband tried to take the farm, but the neighbors told them the truth. Everything belonged to Abdul. Ashamed and shocked, the couple left the village forever. This story teaches us that you can rise again even when people are mean to you. Your value is not decided by others. It is decided by your own courage. Kindness grows, but greed destroys.